Rules and helping materials are all similar, what you had in the previous one. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Are you ready to start your work?
Yes, sir.
You can start your work now.
I think gentlemen, we should make a liver bridge from here to there.
Yes, I appreciate your idea, gentlemen, but we can't make it with the help of the plank. We can
Because there is a less size.
Yes, you are right, gentlemen. We can use a log.
We can use the plank further ahead.
We can
Not touch the blue thing.
Okay, don't. We can
Make
place
sure that
in
it
such a
will
way.
not touch.
Check number 2, one gentleman, you shall.
Make sure that it will not touch.
Check number 2, put your feet here.
Gentlemen, one who has more weight can apply support to
You
here.
should provide support.
Okay.
Gentlemen, one person.
Okay, I may proceed.
Hold it.
Okay, now here.
I think we should make a lever from
Yes,
here to there
yes.
for making any structure there. So we shall give.
Okay.
Yes, you have a good idea. We can.
So now chest number 129. Since you are standing here, can you invite other members of your group? Anyone who can join you over here?
Yes, sir.
Because it is a larger platform,
Yes, sir.
right? So you can call anyone.
Okay, chest number 21, come over.
Okay. First, hold it.
Okay, gentlemen. Now pass the rope, gentlemen, so that we can make a lever over here.
I think we have to go at that white place, so
Yes.
we should make it.
Okay, I will convert this red color into blue color.
Okay. So hold it so that I can tie it.
Okay, gentlemen.
Chest number 21, you should make
I can hold this with my leg,
It will
so
be
you can tie it
So
up.
sit properly and hold it with your hand.
Okay, gentlemen.
Hold, gentlemen. Make a loop knot.
From
Yes,
the
yes,
front,
I am
Yes, you can make a 2-point loop knot so that it can be more stable. From there?
We have not to make a cross knot because we have to open it from other side.
Okay.
Because yes.
Ground. Don't let it touch the mine too.
Make it little bit.
First tie
Hold
it,
the plank
then
tight.
we can adjust.
Gentlemen, ensure the tightness.
Directly, just put it directly tie there only.
I think this is the longer rope you are given to me.
Yes.
Gentlemen, tie it up. It is sufficient. Tie it up. And
There is no need to. Gentlemen,
Yes,
put the rope through that loop and tie it.
On upside also you can tie it.
Put the rope through that loop.
And gentlemen, keep in mind that we have to remove this plank
Yes, it will be removed.
after crossing. So,
So do not
not
have a
tight.
knot.
yes.
The knot should be that much strong that will help us to move.
No.
Do you
Wait for a minute. Wait for a minute.
Okay.
Let me fix it. Hold it so that I can fix it.
Okay, gentlemen.
Chest number 21, tie from upside only. There is no need.
From here,
Yes.
Here. You can tie.
it
Yes.
will.
Yes, so
Chest number 21. Turn it around and put these two ends through that loop. Through that loop.
In this?
Yes.
yes, that is a good idea. And pass it over from that side. From
Don't
that
pass
side.
it over.
From that side.
Bring it to your side. Bring it to your side.
Yes, from that side.
That will make
And pull it over.
No, the end. And just turn it around.
Yes. Gentlemen, ensure the tightness because the above.
And just tie a simple knot. It will be very effective here. Tie a simple knot. Yes.
If you are facing the difficulty, we can also tie the rope.
But it will
There is no need because we have to remove.
No, gentlemen, we cannot make it more
Yes,
complicated.
now it is effective.
Again one tie.
I think it is
As the
easy to-
distance is less than 4,
Gentlemen,
very
let's
less than 4
ensure
feet, you
tightness.
should.
Yes, it is tight because if you put your feet, then it will be already tight.
Yes.
Yes.
I think you can move to.
I think chest number 18 should go ahead as he can act as very best as a counterweight.
Yes, now chest number.
Okay, gentlemen.
18 should
Chest
go
number
ahead
18,
as he
pass
will
over.
act
Put your
very
feet
best.
there so that it will not fall. I think now we can tie a rope at the end of that bully so that he can cross from that way.
Yes, that's a good idea. Pass over the bully, please.
Tie the rope then.
Gentlemen, what we have to do
We have to tie the rope. If we just tie the rope from that pole,
So that end is blue or white?
This is white.
So you can already cross it. by
Yes,
yourself.
we can make a simple bridge and pass it over.
Use it. Okay.
If it is white, we can make a simple bridge. Okay.
but chest number one.
Okay.
First of all,
Let him go so that he can.
let one
Support
person
us.
to go first. That
So you
will
go so that you can
Gentlemen,
support him.
you can take my place so that I can you can cover up my
You
place.
hold it so that I can.
Chest number 18, your weight.
Put your feet here. Here at this place.
21, we should
Chest number 8.
Chest number 18. put the
Utilize
weight-
your weight as
put
a
the weight
force.
in the end. Chest number 18, put the weight in the end of the log.
Yes. Anyone?
Now you can go.
Okay.
Chest number 21, pass chest number 18.
Yes, I am passing.
Now chest number 25 will proceed.
Yes,
Gentlemen, what about load? Let's pass the load.
Yes, let one person come here, then he will pass the load.
Gentlemen, as all our members are involved in this ground, so please let's pass the load.
easily to chest number 21.
Now pass the load.
First of all,
25 goes there.
I will not do it.
No?
Yes, gentlemen.
Help me to pass the load so that I can pass it. Give it
Chest
to
number
me.
25, you go there.
Chest number 13, pass the load to
Hold
chest
it.
number 25.
Yes, give it to me.
Now you should proceed further.
I think
I am giving you space.
Gentlemen, ensure that you cannot touch this red area. You cannot touch this red area.
now you take this.
Gentlemen, take the
Take
lock.
that gully so that we can cross it from here. Help him with your hand. Give it your hand so that it will be easier for him.
Make sure that
You can put your feet so that he can
you
cross.
should put your
Gentlemen.
plank over there, half
Gentlemen, pass over.
and finally,
Chest number 18, I think you should.
No, you all can do
Chest number
this.
18,
if
as
you
you
pass, that will finally create
No, it
a
will not
problem
be left
for
here.
you.
Chest chest number 18, as you have higher weight, so you can pass over first.
Yes,
And
number 25,
chest number
you can
13 will
go.
pass over next. Chest number, yes. 18 pass over.
You can also come here.
Support, gentlemen.
No, you first come here, then remove the.
It will not fall, you can come.
Gentlemen,
Put
ensure
your
that
feet this side.
How are you going to take out the rope from there?
He can move it.
How you will take it out?
If you are there, we can remove that very rope and put the plank here.
This is blue portion, we cannot. We cannot put the plank here.
Gentlemen, please, can you hold the rope?
Gentlemen, you have to change the.
Chest number 13, move to that place and tie another rope so that we can remove it from that here. Let's proceed.
I think chest number 21 should try.
Yes, I think you should try. So you will go to hold the plank, then I will tie. No, I will hold the plank from here, you should go ahead.
Do you feel this plank will come out easily? Because you have tied it
अगर हमने ये
at this point.
बांधा होता तो
और ये जो है आपने ऊपर बांधा हुआ है लपेट करके, ठीक है? अब आ जाओ, पास में आ जाओ, इसको दोबारा खोलो. So whenever you make, पहली बात तो क्या किया था आपने, इसको ना दो इक्वल नहीं था, आप इसको डबल से बांधना चाह रहे थे, है ना? अगर आपको कभी भी बेंच के ऊपर लिवर बनाना पड़ जाता है, ठीक है, द सिंपलेस्ट वे, मेक हाफ ऑफ दिस रोप, ठीक है, ऐसे पकड़ा आपने, आप इसको यहाँ से ऐसे गिराते हैं,
Yes, sir.
दूसरी तरफ खींचो, खींच लिया,
यस सर
अब आपने इसको फिर से यहाँ से ऐसे किया,
Yes, sir.
जब आप डबल कर रहे थे तो शायद एक ही बार रोटेट कर रहे थे इसको, अब ये ज़्यादा बार हो सकता है,
Yes, sir.
अब ये इधर आ गया वापस, और आपने क्या किया, इसको जितना टाइट बांध सकते हो, चलो आप ही बांधो, जितना टाइट बांध सकते हो, जितना टाइट, बांधिए, गांठ लगाइए उस पे. अब आप इसके ऊपर चल करके देखो एक बार, इट इज मोर स्टेबल नाउ. अब जब आप लास्ट में आते हो खींचने के लिए, कि लास्ट मैन हाउ ही विल टेक इट आउट, ठीक है, फर्स्ट, क्योंकि इतने लोग इसके ऊपर से चले हैं तो आपके वजन से ये वैसे ही पीछे हो गया, नीचे की तरफ जा रहा था, ठीक है, आप इसको एक बार नीचे झुकाओ और एक बार ऊपर खींच दो, ठीक है, इससे क्या है, इसकी गैप खुल जाएगी बीच में से. अब आप इसको जो है पकड़ के खोलते हैं तो ये इसके साथ आ गया.
Yes, sir.
क्लियर है?
Yes, sir.
ठीक है,
यस सर दैट्स गुड
हो सकता है ऐसा काम, ठीक, चलो.